Hello, so today we'll be looking at the NFT purchases to Discord automation. This automation alerts you whenever any wallet makes an NFT purchase. In fact, it can alert you not just on Discord, but on several channels. It can alert you on Telegram, on Webhook, Discord, and push notifications on your phone. So for example, a Telegram message that it sends looks something like this. It's completely customizable. It can be sent to your Discord server, Telegram server, DMs, whatever. So how to use this automation? To start, we need to specify a wallet that we want to get the alerts for. So if this wallet purchases a NFT, then we get a notification, and then we can specify a channel where we want to receive the notification. I set it as Telegram. But you can set up Discord DMs, webhooks. We have a little guide here on how to set each one up. If you click on the top right corner, you can watch a tutorial that explains how to set each one of these up. You can also preview the structure of the automation here, see how it works. But let's just hit create for now. So now we've created this automation, and the only thing we need to do is turn it on. To turn the automation on, you need a subscription. We have monthly subscription plan. If you're paying with credit card, we have a monthly and yearly options. If you're paying with crypto, then you need to pick the yearly plan. The subscription itself gives you access to the Compass Analytics suite, and it also gives you your payment amount back in automation credits. So if you go with the monthly plan, you get $20 worth of automation credits every month. Automation credits are used to run your automations. If you want to learn more details about how much each automation costs, click the button in the top right corner for pricing info. If you're paying with credit card, you get a 7 days free trial, so you will not be charged in your first 7 days. So now that that's done, I'll navigate back to automations, click on my NFT purchases to Discord alert, and then proceed to turn it on. Now, whenever this wallet will make an NFT purchase, I will receive a notification on my Telegram that looks something like this. To customize the message itself, you can edit the message here. You can add some variables by clicking this button. So I can, for example, add a marketplace where the token was bought. And hit save. Now the logic behind the automation goes like this. We have the trigger, which is a token bought trigger. This trigger will activate if its conditions are met. Our trigger only has one single condition, which says that the wallet has to equal the automation input wallet. And that wallet is specified as this. Then we have our action. So whenever this trigger is triggered, we execute the action. And the action is simply sending a message, specifically this message, which contains text, emojis, and some variables. Variables are shown with double parentheses. You can add new variables by clicking this button and then selecting a variable that you want to add. And then we have a notification channel specified. This again comes from the input. So under the automation inputs, we have a wallet and a notification channel specified, and that gets used in these action blocks. Here you can see both the wallet and a notification channel specified. Now to test the automation, what I usually do is I change the trigger from the token bought to a manual trigger. So I can trigger this automation manually, and I receive the notification in my Telegram so I can see what this one looks like in my chat. I click on update and then I do a run. The runs themselves will appear under the history. So if I click on run, now because we replaced the token bought trigger with a manual trigger, it doesn't have all the information that will appear in our real alerts. So that's why these are blank. But other than that, this one looks good. So this is how you set up and use the NFT purchases to Discord automation. If you want to explore other automations, you can go navigate to the automations page and explore. Here we have them categorized, and you could have a look at what each does and what their inputs are and how they work. Thank you for watching.